Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. It's quite easy to use Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's get started. The Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Saga is a powerful booster that allows you to clear a single candy blocker or obstacle or of your choice from the game board without using a move. Here's how to use it. Steps to use the Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Saga. Start a game level. Open Candy Crush Saga and start a level where you want to use Lollipop Hammer. Select the Lollipop Hammer. Look at the bottom right or left of the screen of the booster panel. The Lollipop Hammer icon, like a pink lollipop with a stick. Tap on the Lollipop Hammer icon to select it. The game will prompt you to use the hammer on any candy or obstacle. Choose a target. After selecting the Lollipop Hammer, tap on the candy, jelly, chocolate, or any other blocker you want to remove. The Lollipop Hammer will instantly smash it, clear the target from the board. The use of the Lollipop Hammer does not consume a move, so you can continue playing the level without losing any of your remaining moves. And here you go, it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.